Number 3. Lighting up your shot. When it comes to lighting up your shot, you need to keep a couple of things in mind. Good lighting depends on 4 factors that are quantity, direction, quality, and color. By quantity, we can understand how much lighting is needed to light up the shot. When it comes to the direction of lighting, there are many, but the most used is the 3-point lighting setup, which uses the key light, backlight, and fill light. You can also use natural lighting depending on your shot and the location of the shoot. When it comes quality of the lighting, you need to be aware of the intensity of your lighting, like soft lighting and harsh lighting. To get good quality lighting, you can also use reflectors and diffusers in your shoot. Color in lighting refers to the tones of color used in lighting. A dim light will give your shot a candlelight color effect. Warm lights will give your shot a pinch of yellow, whereas a bright light will give it a white color. You can also get creative and use more colors for double lighting your shots. Moreover, you can use color gel filters to use various colors for your videos. To more know about lighting, check out our video on types of lighting.